Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you some vegan mayonnaise recipe. You will enjoy every bit of it. You can still be a vegetarian or vegan and still enjoy some mayonnaise in your salad. You see how it is thick and flowing, you will love it. And so let's get started. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video. And so this is my homemade soya milk. I'll leave the link in the description box for you to check and make your own. And we are also going to make use of some soyabean oil. You can use any oil, just make sure that that oil doesn't have any flavor like coconut. No, black and white pepper, apple cider vinegar, salt and lemon juice. Okay, so I am going to measure a cup of my soyabean milk. Yes, just a cup of that, and that is 250 ml. So we are going to measure that, and then I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of the black pepper, white pepper, and also salt to taste. I just added my lemon juice to it, so I'm going to add the pepper, that's black and white pepper. Then I'll also add some vinegar to it. And so if you're a vegetarian and you always be like, oh, so I cannot enjoy salad with mayonnaise, especially if you're vegan, because mayonnaise in the market contains eggs and you don't take in egg. Hey, this recipe is going to help you to still enjoy your mayonnaise and your salad and still be a vegan. So you're going to blend this a bit. Okay, so we are also going to add our oil, and what you have to do is you add them in bits. Kakra, do you get it? You can also add mustard cream to it. It will make it more thick. But one thing is, when you keep this in the fridge, it becomes a bit thicker. So that is why for me I didn't add mustard cream also to it. So we'll still be adding our oil. Okay. Okay, so we are going to check on it. It's not yet thick, it's still a bit liquid, and so you keep on adding the oil and blending till you realize that you get a thickness that you want. I'm adding salt and few of it, sorry, because when I tasted, the salt wasn't okay for me, so I just added a bit more. Yeah, some more broth. And so you are blending, and so when it's taken up, sometimes it's difficult to blend up a bit, so you just have to put it off and then on it again. Okay. Okay, so let's check again. You see it's thickening up. And so we're going to allow it to blend more and add more oil to it. The more the oil, the more it thickens up. Thing is this, because it's soya milk, you will use a lot of oil. You will use a lot. If it's egg or just a kakrebi, just a little, or some, the quantity wouldn't be that much, but with this you have to use a lot. So we are checking. Okay, so this is okay for me. You can still add more oil and let it thicken up more and more, but this consistency is okay for me because I'll still keep it in the fridge. So this is it. This is our mayonnaise. You will love every bit of it, and you see. So you can enjoy the salad with your mayonnaise. All that you have to do is when you are going to make your salad, just add a bit of sweetener, either honey, brown sugar or white sugar, or if you're on keto diet, add your stevia sweetener to it to give it a bit of taste, and you are okay. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share the video. Bye bye.